So you want your child's room to look more like this and less like this. Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Casey, or the Real Housewife of Nebraska. I do a lot of homemaking videos, including cleaning videos, as you're about to see. I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up, and then also went down below and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. But without further ado, let's get to these tips. Number 1, everything in the room should have a home. Yes, this takes some work and time to start off with, but I can promise you, if done correctly, it will save time in the long run. So yes, you have to go through all of the toys, all of them, sort them into like groups, and ideally have different baskets or tubs for each group. This is also a good time to donate toys that your children have outgrown or simply don't use. Number 2, while you're organizing, you do want to get your kids involved in the process. This gives you a chance to get them excited about having and keeping, most importantly, a clean room, right? Keeping can be the problem. This way, they also know how much work goes into organizing, and hopefully they'll be more acquainted with where each toy goes. Plus, who knows, they actually might have some valuable input. Thumbs up, girl. Good work. Number 3, to make sure your kids know what toy goes where, use labels. Plus, if you have cute labels, it can also make the space look, well, cuter. Your kids can't read yet? No problem. Draw a picture instead of words, or even better, use pictures and words. Who knows? It might even help them learn to read a word or two. Tip number 4 is something you need to teach your kids. It's something that I learned from my mom growing up.
I'll put them right back, but can I just play those blocks?
Yep, just remember when you're done to pick them up, right, hun?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Make your kids pick up a toy before they get another toy out to play with. This is huge, not only in saving your sanity, but teaching your kids responsibility. To go along with that, if you find items around your house that need to be put back into your child's room or clean clothes that need to be put away, you need to have a dump bin. For example, I have this basket in my daughter Camille's room, and I put everything in there that she needs to be responsible for to put in the right spaces in her room. To make sure your children are following the new rules, you should check their room at least once daily. If you can catch the mess before it's a catastrophe, it will save you a lot of time. You definitely don't want to be sorting through and organizing all of the toys again and again. When it comes to clothes, I feel it's best to have them put away in a way where your child knows where everything is. I'll post links to our organization videos down below in the description box. This makes picking out clothes for your kids much more fun. My daughters love being independent in that way too. It also, of course, makes putting away clothes a lot easier. If you're ready to give your kids more responsibility, there are ways you can make dusting more fun. My girls love squirting with this, and then you can also get those dusting gloves for your kids to clean surfaces. Of course, this is not for kids though, of all ages. Number 9, I briefly mentioned this before, but sometimes you just need to declutter and purge. If your kids have outgrown a toy, donate it. If your kids never play with the toy, maybe give it away. This will lead to not only a cleaner room, but also possibly better emotional and physical health for you and your family. Studies show decluttering can get rid of dust particles and toxins. And get this, research also shows that too much stuff can leave you feeling anxious, stressed, or even depressed. Talk about a good reason to clean a room. Last but not least on the list, let your child be in charge of his or her room. Well, I mean, kind of, right? Realistically, but this can lead to more responsibility and a sense of pride. I really hope you enjoyed these 10 tips and found them helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know to do more content like this. And I would, of course, also appreciate it if you went down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and join this Real Housewife YouTube family. Thanks again, and happy cleaning, everyone.